Welcome to the large-scale pet food drying system. Built by Hello River Drying Technology for a listed Chinese company production base in Vietnam located in Ho Chi Minh City. This customer produces a wide range of pet products highly popular both domestically and overseas, including dog chews, pet treats, cat and dog food, chicken jerky, and more. We remain committed to delivering advanced heat pump-based drying solutions for the global pet food industry, driving efficiency, quality, and growth. Just contact us for more reference project info.